The following demonstration was recorded live over the public internet using a standard web browser. The server is over 1,200 miles away from the client. Obviously, when we talk about navigating your data over the web, one of the big things we're talking about is speed. How quickly can we find and retrieve the information we're looking for from the back end? And so this is a demonstration of a manufacturing parts record browser. And if I say, well, show me all items that match cable and hit enter, we'll see that the results come back very quickly. And not only do we get a result set, we also get summary information for each item, like item number, product line, and status. And if I cursor down, you can see that that information changes for each item. And it's fast. It's so fast that I can hold down the key and scroll through about 4 pages of results in maybe a second and a half. Now, not only is search information fast, but if we come in and take a look at some detailed data about an item, we can get general information, inventory information, shipping information, plan information, all coming from the back-end database across the business logic to the browser. We can also get complex data like charts and graphs generated on the back end from the data, and it all comes across the public internet very quickly. Now, I'm half the country away from this web server, Texas to Pennsylvania, and if we get statistics for our session here, we can see that we made 23 requests to the back end. The average request was well under a quarter second, and the fastest request was about 1/10 of a second, and we've seen that number as fast as 0.07 seconds in production. In order to navigate your data efficiently, some applications may require more than just simple search, especially if they're more complex. This is a demonstration of a food distribution and ordering system. You can see that we're looking at order number 507. There's some order header data here, and then the order lines are below. And there are a few different ways that we can view order data. We can go to the next order to 508. And we can go to the next ready to invoice order, which is order number 535. And we can say, well, show me all the ready to invoice orders, and look at that result set. And then we can combine search with this kind of filtering and say, well, show me ready to invoice orders for a specific customer. On top of that, if you want to add an item to this order, and you have a large catalog of items, you can say, well, I know I want to add crumb cake, and there it is, and I will add 10. And just like that, it's added to the order. We hope you've enjoyed this demonstration. Everything you've seen has been shown over the public internet in a standard web browser with no plugins or helper applications. For more information on how to harness this kind of technology for your enterprise, please call us at 800-388-1850 or visit us online at www.solvepoint.com.